Okay students, class 7 chapter 16 bar graph data handling. In the previous video we have just complete out exercise 6.3 how can we draw a bar graph and prepare a frequency distribution table, and after this draw a bar graph. Now we have to discuss about double bar graph. It's mean a question contain two type of information. For example, see question number 11. In the question number 11 for class 10th, the result of pre-board examination and annual examination for different year is shown in the following table. यहाँ पर आपके पास टोटल 6 ईयर कंसिडर किए गए हैं और उन ईयर्स में प्री बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में कितने परसेंट रिजल्ट रहा और एनुअल एग्जाम में कितने परसेंट रिजल्ट रहा, ये गिवन दे रखा है. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ डबल बार ग्राफ फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन. Firstly, similarly for a bar graph, we draw a horizontal line which is called x-axis and vertical number line which is called y-axis, and it is the origin, and write here scale on x-axis, on y-axis, and heading double bar graph. For the first row years 2009, because it is a double bar graph, so first box represent pre-board examination and second represent for annual examination. So it is completely 2009. तो हमने 2009 के लिए दो बॉक्स का सिलेक्शन किया, फिर आप एक बॉक्स का गैप छोड़ोगे, एंड दीज टू बॉक्सेस रिप्रेजेंट 2010, दीज टू बॉक्सेस रिप्रेजेंट 2011, these two boxes represent 2012, 2013 and 2014. Now on the y-axis, and it represents year. On the y-axis we have to draw percentage, and mostly percentage is 100%. So first sign represent 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100, and it is result in percentage. Result in percentage. Now time for scale. On the x-axis 2 centimeter represent 1 year. 2 centimeter represent 1 year, and on the y-axis 1 centimeter represent 10%. 10%. Now it is ready to draw a bar graph. For the 2009 pre-board examination result 55%. 55 just like between 50 and 60, so we draw a rectangle up to 55 and we have to shade it. For the same year annual examination result 70%, so we draw another rectangle just attached to it, and it is the rectangle for annual examination, so we have to shade in differently. Similarly we have to draw bar graph for pre-board examination and examination for same year. For 2010 it is 60%, pre-board examination result 60%, and annual examination 85%. %. 2011 again 60% for pre-board, and annual examination 80%. Next bar graph just adjust to previous bar graph. 2012 68%, 68 lie between 60 and 70. But इसकी exact position, we know that in a first centimeter there are total 10 boxes and there are total 10 percentage. It means one small box represent 1%. So for 8 boxes we can say it is 68. In a graph paper we can use a proper scale and draw a bar graph. 2012 annual examination 92%, 92 lie between 90 and 100, so it is 92. Two 2013 70%. It is a result of pre-board examination and 95% annual examination. 2014 75%. And annual examination 100%. So it is a double bar graph to represent for 1 year, for the same year result of pre-board examination and annual examination. For this we can easily find out कि उस साल प्री बोर्ड और एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन के रिजल्ट में कितना कितना डिफरेंट रहा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नोट डाउन इट. Okay student, now question number 12. In the question number 12 you can see that a double bar graph is given, and according to the double bar graph, classes and in which number of boys and number of girls are considered. According to the question, read it and make a table showing. आपको एक टेबल बनानी in which class, number of boys and number of girls may be indicated. So there are total 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 5th class are discussed, in which number of boys and number of girls are indicated by double bar graph. So for the class 6th, we can say that number of boys exact up to 28 and number of girls exact between 24 and 28. Between 24 and 28 we can say that the value is 26. So for the class 6th, number of boys are 28 and number of girls are 26. Similarly for class 7th, number of boys is exact between 24 and 28. So number of boys 26 and number of girls are, it is just above to 24 but not in middle. So we can say that number of girls are 24 and 26 के mid. It means 25. Class 8th, number of boys are exact 24 and number of girls are exact. It is also between 24 and 28 but just above it. 24 and 28 just mid value is 26, and between 26 and 28 there is 27. So number of girls are 27. For class 9th, number of boys are exact 20 and number of girls are exact 24. And for class 10, exact number of boys are 20 and number of girls also 20. So it is a table in which we show classes and their number of boys and number of girls. So this table is complete, and just note down their total. Now their total 6 and 4 10 and 18, 1 carry, 1 2 3 4 5, it means 100, and 1 also carry. So value is 1 1 8, क्योंकि आपका 10 हो गया 1 कैरी तो 1 1 8. नाउ देयर सम 6 and 5 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 4 22, 2 carry 10 and 2 12. So it is a table we draw with the help of double bar graph. I hope you understood. Note down it and thank you.